In this quick tutorial, I will show you pencil tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into it. So I am in Adobe Photoshop now. You can access pencil tool from here. Here is pencil tool and its shortcut is as like brush tool B. So pencil tool paints hard-edged brush strokes. So pencil tool paints hard-edged brush strokes. You can see, please check. You can see I am painting it. Its edges is very hard. Pencil tool generally painted hard edges stroke rather than brush tool painted soft round edges strokes. This is the basic difference with brush tool with pencil tool. So I am undoing it. You can see all the buttons are as like brush tool except auto erase. So I am without auto erase. I am demonstrating that. You can see I am clicking here and holding down shift and clicking here, it is again. So it is as like brush tool. But when I am selecting auto erase option, you can see I am painted a stroke with pencil tool. Its foreground color is green and background color is gray. So now auto erase selecting, when I am painting here, you can see I am able to paint background color here. You can see I am able to paint background color here. But if I didn't touch this foreground color stroke, you can see it is painted again foreground color as like before, green. But if I paint it here, I can easily able to paint the background color with foreground color simultaneously. So that was for this quick tutorial. I hope you have learned from something. If so, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.